Hey, it's Anissa, and we've gotten so many requests for disinfectant wipes, and in this day and age, you just can't find them. But I'm going to show you an easy way to make your own, just using some paper towels and a bottle of Purifize. Now I'm going to show you using two different types of containers. Here I have an old disinfectant wipe container and a Ziploc bag. Now you can use any other Tupperware that you have that will house the paper towels in it. So we took a roll of paper towels, but it was too thick, so we unwound it so it would fit inside of the disinfectant wipe container. And then all you do is you cut it in half. You take one half and place it in your container, and then you take a bottle of the Purifize and pour it completely in the container, and then you want to shake it around so it gets fully absorbed. You simply remove the cardboard middle, and then if you pull from the center, it will automatically thread just like your disinfectant wipes that you bought from the stores. Now, depending on how thick the paper towels are, you might need to add a little more Purifize, and that's why we sell it as a 2-pack. Now, what I love about using the Ziploc bags, they're great for on the go. You can keep them in your car, keep them in your purse, and you'll always have a disinfectant wipe handy. It's important to note that you can't use just any hand sanitizer or hand cleaner. Purifize is both a hand cleaner and surface cleaner and contains 70% alcohol. Now, you can't use Purell to make these because the consistency is simply too thick. Other homemade wipes require you to use multiple solution and can be quite a mess with all the measuring. Only Purifize is your single bottle solution to creating disinfectant wipes. And there you have it, the fast and easy way to make your very own disinfectant wipe. Now, we do sell it as a 2-pack, but you can get the Super Saver Special and get a whole case for a discounted price. So head on over to Pulse TV and pick up yours today.